like it was 99, hiding at the moon, figuring out a little while, just a little while. And drove around with one headlight till the driver lost his mind. As we get out a little while, and we go out. Forget about what they say. When all is said and done, we won't remember anyway. When the morning comes, we go out, we get crazy. We can go all night.
Oh my God, ginawa mo! Sinurot mo! Nuri!
I feel like...
Okay.
Wala pang ako sasabi. Point ka na dyan.
Go.
Parang classroom lang yung mga...
Alright. Isa-sign. Papasa tayo lahat.
Sa sign na papasa tayo lahat.
What?
Lahat tayo dito sa classroom. Pasado lang.
Ikaw lang hindi. What do you feel, Charlie? Alam mo yung mag-check.
What if kunwari 10 years from now nagkaroon tayo ng parang disease, tapos unknown yung cause, tapos parang mag-flashback tayo sa time na to, tapos parang na-realize natin yun yung cause ng disease natin lahat, so mamamatay tayo after that.
O at least meron tayong video na to para malaman ng school. Okay.
Ano bang channel?
Channel 6. 69. Channel 69.
Chinese?
Hindi. Position.
Position! Position!
So you, what was your reaction?
It's nothing. Mabaho, you know.
Okay.
I gets good.
Ang slow, guys, ang slow ni Patrick sa position 69.
If you know the
Kaya wala, pag sa long term wala kayo mapapala kay Patrick.
Ganun na yung one watching. Oy, wait! Oy, Patrick! Magaganyan ako. Gaganong-ganong mo yung ano mo.
Ano?
Gaganong mo yung ano mo. Okay. Sasabi ko, wait.
Wait, yung ano ko, yung like, ayun. Ako na lang.
Ayoko.
Ikaw.
Tapoy ko ulo mo.
1, 2, 3, go! ang bagal eh. Wait. Dahan-dahan na. 1, 2, 3, go. Pag ganun, dahan-dahan lang. 1, 2, 3, go.
Wala pa. Ayaw na nga eh.
Pipisatin ko na. Okay, pisatin mo yung mukha mo. Okay. So, this is the latest happenings. Bye. Channel 69, reporting.